If you have kidney problems, you may already know that diet is the best way to lower your creatinine levels. And there's something even better than eating healthy: replacing kidney-harming foods marketed as healthy with foods that are truly good for your health. Today, we'll look at 5 kidney-damaging foods that big corporations are marketing as healthy. We'll replace them with delicious, healthy, and kidney-friendly superfoods. Kidney-damaging food 5. Let's start right away with number 5. And that is orange juice. We're starting with a drink that is actually harmful to the kidneys but is sold as healthy. Big marketing departments have truly deceived us with this one. Today, orange juice is a staple breakfast drink for many people. Orange juice is the most popular fruit juice in the US because companies have advertised it as a key part of a healthy diet for years. They've told us that orange juice is incredibly healthy, it's full of vitamins, and might even cure your cold. After all, how could something from fruit be bad for you? But unfortunately, many vitamins are lost during the production process of these juices. According to the FDA, an average cup of orange juice contains 27 grams of sugar, the same as a cup of Coca-Cola. I doubt anyone would recommend drinking Coca-Cola in the morning. This tells us 2 things: orange juice is not a healthy food. Public perception of healthy eating is skewed by advertising, leading us to consume some of the unhealthiest foods while thinking we're eating well. Just look at this glass of orange juice. It contains nearly 8 teaspoons of sugar. On top of that, it has up to 500 milligrams of potassium. This isn't too bad if you're in stage 2 or 3 of kidney disease, but it's a big problem for those in stages 4 and 5. So, what can we use to replace this junk food disguised as healthy food? Recipe: blood pressure lowering juice. Real fruits and vegetables. And wow, a juicer! If you have one of these juicers lying around, now is the time to make it shine. Let's make a juice you can drink every morning to keep your kidneys healthier. First, an apple. Chop it up and toss the pieces in. Apples are great for kidney patients because they are full of antioxidants. These help neutralize free radicals. Next, beetroot. Let's add one to our juice. This small root vegetable can actually help lower your blood pressure. This superfood is gaining popularity thanks to recent studies proving its benefits in enhancing athletic performance, lowering bad cholesterol, and supporting liver and kidney health. And finally, a bit of ginger. This juice is 1,000,000 times healthier than store-bought fruit juice. No added sugar here. Did you know that in a double-blind study, participants who drank beetroot juice daily for 4 weeks experienced a significant drop in blood pressure? You won't get this benefit from sugar-filled orange juice, that's for sure. So, guys, let me know in the comments if you're going to try this healthy juice. But I can already tell, it has no sugar. I wonder if there's something I can do to make it sweeter. Junk food number 4 marketed as healthy now. Let's check out number 4. And that is honey. Honey is famous for its health benefits, right? They say it can soothe your throat and that it's a better option than sugar for diabetics. What they forget to tell you is that this is only true for raw, unprocessed honey. Basically, you should eat it straight from the hive. Unfortunately, most honey available today is processed. This means manufacturers have heated and filtered it. This removes most of its nutrients and potential health benefits. On top of that, manufacturers often produce impure honey that may contain added sugar or syrup. According to a 2018 study, on average, honey has a glycemic index, GI, of 58, while sugar has a GI of 60. This is important not just for diabetics. High GI foods are highly inflammatory and can even raise blood pressure. A healthier alternative. So, what should we replace it with? My favorite sweetener, Stevia. I'm not here to sell you sweeteners, but this one has some seriously sweet health benefits for kidney patients. And I'm not just talking about the obvious health benefits of avoiding sugar, honey, and other high GI sweeteners. So, I won't go into lower calorie intake, reduced risk of tooth decay, or better blood sugar control, which you'd get from using a zero-calorie sweetener instead of sugar. No, what I want to tell you is that according to a recent study, Stevia may have promising properties in treating kidney disease. Researchers found that kidney patients who consumed Stevia saw improvements in serum creatinine, serum uric acid, and fasting blood sugar levels. This means Stevia doesn't just make your coffee sweeter, it makes your kidneys healthier too. The third junk food marketed as healthy. A veggie burger made from eggplant looks delicious. Sounds healthy, right? Especially for people with kidney disease, having a healthy alternative to meat can be really helpful, as consuming large amounts of meat is harmful to weakened kidneys. And a lot of people are eating this type of burger right now. Eating fake meat brings a sense of reward and confidence. According to McDonald's, Nestle, and other companies, this burger will save the world. If you don't eat their burger, the world will burn. So, there are both health benefits and environmental benefits. Yes, marketing departments are really going all out with these fake meat products right now. But is this true? Or is this just another junk food being sold as healthy? Unfortunately, vegetarian meat products are often full of questionable ingredients. Just take a look at this food label. This is supposed to be an eggplant hamburger, right? But it only contains 18% eggplant. The main ingredient is processed soy flour. But it also contains regular flour, gluten, and other additives. Let's be clear, these ingredients are not healthy, especially for people with kidney disease or high blood pressure. And other brands are no better. The problem with fake meat is that it doesn't really resemble meat. We're talking about processed plant substances made to look like meat. So, food companies add a lot of salt and other additives to make it taste better. This is salt. So, next time you see an ad for a burger that will save the world because it contains no meat, you'll know what to do. A healthy alternative. And here's a food I've never talked about before. This is white mushrooms. Why are they good for people with kidney issues? First, they can replace meat in many recipes. You can grill them just like you would grill a piece of meat, or you can make a mushroom burger. And they have many health benefits. Mushrooms are low-carb, nearly fat-free, and packed with valuable nutrients. They are the only good plant-based source of vitamin D, probably the vitamin you need most in your diet. Additionally, the phytochemicals, natural plant compounds, in mushrooms seem to be particularly powerful, showing some anti-cancer and anti-aging properties, according to recent studies. Now, some types of mushrooms are too high in potassium, not everyone can eat them. But 1 cup, or about 100 g, of white mushrooms contains only 300 milligrams of potassium and 80 milligrams of phosphorus. And remember, phosphorus from plant-based foods is not fully absorbed by the body, unlike phosphorus, or phosphate, used as an additive in fake burgers and other processed foods. Also, 1 cup of mushrooms is roughly equivalent to 2 large mushrooms. That's actually 2 servings, and it will be much more satisfying than a fake burger. And if you're still not convinced, consider that mushrooms are one of the most sustainable foods on the planet. But corporations won't tell you this until they figure out a way to profit from mushrooms. So, if you want to improve both your kidney health and the planet at the same time, avoid fake meat and eat mushrooms instead. The second junk food marketed as healthy. Low-fat salad dressing. Low-fat foods were once believed to be weight loss friendly. In reality, low-fat salad dressings often compensate for the lack of satisfying fats by adding sugar, high-fructose corn syrup, salt, additives, and preservatives. For example, just half a tablespoon of fat-free dressing can contain up to 14 grams of sugar, 5 grams more than a fun-sized Snickers bar. A healthy alternative. What should you use instead? Apple cider vinegar and extra virgin olive oil, two truly healthy and incredibly delicious ingredients. Olive oil is arguably the healthiest thing you can add to your salad. Studies show that olive oil is what makes the Mediterranean diet so heart-healthy. What makes olive oil so beneficial? First, it is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Lab studies show that olive oil works similarly to ibuprofen, a well-known anti-inflammatory drug. Additionally, olive oil is your heart's best friend, thanks to its healthy fats. And, of course, it is kidney-friendly. The best way to enjoy its benefits is to use it as a dip or salad dressing. Choosing the right olive oil. It's crucial to choose the right type of olive oil. Luckily, in Italy, you can find some of the best olive oils in the world. There's a big difference between real extra virgin olive oil and cheap alternatives. If you compare two bottles, the difference becomes immediately clear. Some oils may not be true extra virgin olive oil, even if the label says olio extra virgin di oliva. Yes, labels can be misleading. A high-quality olive oil looks completely different. The liquid inside is dark and cloudy, it almost looks like mud. This is how you can recognize real extra virgin olive oil. The best olive oil brands simply crush olives into a paste and use a mechanical press to extract the oil. So, if you want olive oil that truly supports heart and kidney health, look for 3 key features on the bottle. It must be extra virgin olive oil. It should be first cold pressed. In Italian, this is estrato a freddo. A quick trick to check if the label is truthful: flip the bottle over and look at the bottom. Do you see this? The sediment at the bottom of the bottle is a sign that it's real. When I saw this bottle in the supermarket, I bought it without even checking the label. I knew it was good just by looking at its cloudiness and sediment. If you can't find high-quality Italian extra virgin olive oil, don't worry, cheaper extra virgin olive oils still retain some benefits. And they are far better than any low-fat salad dressing on the market. Especially if you add a little apple cider vinegar, or ACV for short. I've talked about ACV in some of my previous videos. Its benefits are so powerful that you can even use it as a home remedy. ACV helps regulate blood sugar levels and improves insulin sensitivity, great news for diabetics. This also makes it the perfect salad dressing ingredient. If you eat a salad with ACV before a meal, your body processes the sugar in it without causing blood sugar spikes. Another crucial benefit of ACV for people with chronic kidney disease is its potential to lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Like olive oil, to get these benefits, you want to use raw, organic, unfiltered ACV. And just like olive oil, the cloudiness and sediment in the bottle are good indicators of purity. Again, the more sediment and cloudiness, the better. This is raw, unfiltered ACV, as the label confirms. It also contains some mother of vinegar, the cloudy strands you see inside. Fortunately, raw, Unfiltered ACV is much easier to find worldwide than high-quality olive oil. The first junk food marketed as healthy. Number 1 is diet yogurt. For decades, yogurt has been marketed as a superfood for weight loss and gut health, especially in ads targeting women. These ads were so powerful that some were even banned from airing. The truth is, diet yogurt is not the miracle food it's claimed to be. Flavored yogurts are often loaded with artificial colors and flavors that may be carcinogenic. Plus, they contain a lot of phosphorus, and since dairy products contain a type of phosphorus that your body absorbs fully, this can be a problem. And if we check the label on this fat-free yogurt, we'll see that the fat has been replaced with sugar. Look at this, 17 grams of sugar per serving. What? That's about 4 teaspoons of sugar. How can they pack so much sugar into this? These products have harmed the health and bodies of so many women. Now, what if I told you that we could replace this healthy yogurt with a recipe that is not only tastier but actually good for you? A recipe packed with vitamins, fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants? Would that be possible? Recipe: Nutritious smoothie. 1 kiwi, one of the best alkaline-forming fruits on earth and also one of the best sources of vitamin C. 2 mandarins, citrus fruits that are truly great for health, with less potassium than oranges but a better source of fiber. 30 grams of walnuts, amazing. This is the nut with the highest antioxidant content in the world. It also has very little potassium compared to other nuts and is rich in omega-3. Just like chia seeds, my favorite. Seeds and nuts will add creaminess to our smoothie, making it taste like yogurt. And also, half a cup of kale. The ingredients look super healthy, let's make a super healthy smoothie. Put everything into the blender. Add 4 ice cubes and a little water. Note that I'm not using any sugar in this smoothie. Let me know if you'll try this smoothie. And also, if you enjoy my food swap videos and want to see more like this. In the meantime, take good care of your kidneys and be kind to yourself. That's all for today, thank you for watching.